Hey, what's going on guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do something super simple in Seller Central that's literally going to take you 5 minutes that will instantly, overnight, increase your profit margins by about 5 to 10% and will save you thousands in Amazon selling fees. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So most people don't actually know this, but if you're currently selling on Amazon or you're thinking of getting started selling on Amazon as a non-VAT registered business in the UK, Amazon shouldn't actually be charging you any VAT on their selling fees. And this includes their fulfillment fee, their referral fee, and their storage fee. And the reason for this is that the UK government sees these fees as digital services, and Amazon actually charges you for these digital services from a registered company based outside of the UK in Luxembourg. And if you go and have a look at any of your selling fee invoices, you'll be able to see this quite clearly. And according to the UK government, any business based outside of the UK charging a UK-based business a digital service doesn't need to charge them VAT on those services, even if the UK-based business is not VAT registered. But for some weird reason, and honestly I don't know why they do it, when you sign up for a Seller Central account, even if you set up as a sole trader or limited company, Amazon automatically starts charging you VAT on those selling fees, even when they shouldn't be. So that's the bad news, but the good news is you can get Amazon to stop charging you VAT on all of those selling fees literally overnight just by sending a super simple email using a template that I've created for you, and I'll show you how to do that in just a sec. But just by doing that, you're going to overnight increase your profit margins by about 5 to 10%, and you're going to save thousands on Amazon selling fees. And this is going to give you a massive competitive advantage over more established VAT registered businesses, which can really help in the early days of your business. So without further ado, why don't we jump into the computer and I'll show you exactly how to email Amazon and exactly what to say in that email to become VAT exempt and get Amazon to stop charging you VAT on those selling fees. So to do this, all you need to do is email Amazon and declare that you are VAT exempt. And to do this, you need to prove to them that you are 3 things. Number 1, based in the UK. Number 2, you are operating as a business and not an individual. So this can be as a sole trader or limited company. And that your business is under the 85k VAT registration threshold, therefore you don't have a VAT number. And all of this is going to show Amazon that you are VAT exempt on all of the selling fees. So to do this, you just need to start off by sending seller support an email, and you need to do this in a specific way. So let me take you over to Seller Central and show you how to email seller support. Okay, so once you've logged into Seller Central, you want to come over to the help section on the right-hand side. Then on the help page, you want to scroll down to need more help and click get support. You then want to click on selling on Amazon, then browse for your issue in the menu down at the very bottom here. Then on the left-hand side, you want to select VAT and tax. And then you want to scroll down and you do not want to click on request a VAT refund for Amazon fees. Instead, you want to select tax and VAT questions. Then in this section here, you just want to copy and paste in the edited email template that I'm going to walk you through in just a second, enter your email address, and then just click send. And this is going to open a case log with Amazon Seller Support, the team who specifically deal with these VAT questions. And this is the email you want to send them. So just a super short and quick email. And what I'll do is I'll put this email template in the description of the video. You can just copy this, edit the sections that are highlighted in red for what is specific to your business, and then you can just paste that into the section that I just showed you in Seller Central and then send that email off. So the email reads, "Hi there, I'm a UK resident operating as a sole trader / limited company, private limited company." Obviously select the one that fits your business, selling in the UK marketplace. Our business or company, so if you're operating as a sole trader, use the word business. If you're operating as a limited company, use the word company. Our business or company name is XXX, and I have attached a copy of our certificate of incorporation or UTR number. So if you're operating as a limited company, you need to attach your certificate of incorporation to this email that you send to Amazon. If you're operating as a sole trader, then you want to send Amazon your UTR number. So in this first paragraph, you're telling Amazon that you are operating as a business and that you are based in the UK, and you're proving this by sending them your certificate of incorporation or UTR number. Then in the second paragraph, you want to say our businesses or company's annual turnover is less than the 85K threshold, and therefore we are not VAT registered and do not have a VAT number. So you're showing Amazon that you're under that threshold. And then finally, from my understanding, our business should not be being charged VAT on any Amazon selling fees. Therefore, I'd like to register our business as a VAT exempt on Amazon. Kind regards, and then just add your name. So as you can see, super simple and straight to the point. And what you'll tend to find is that provided Amazon accept the documentation that you've sent them, they'll make your account VAT exempt in somewhere between 12 and 24 hours. And then as soon as you're VAT exempt, they will stop charging you VAT on all of your selling fees. Now, just a couple of things to point out. Number one, Amazon will still keep charging you VAT on all of your PPC spend, because that PPC spend is actually charged by an Amazon company registered in the UK, not in Luxembourg. And the second thing to point out is that if you have already been selling on Amazon for a while before you have gone through this process and claimed VAT exempt status, then you're also likely owed a VAT refund from Amazon for all of the VAT you've already paid on Amazon selling fees up until this point. So if you want to learn a little bit more about how to actually claim that VAT refund, I'll link to a video that I put up here, and I'll also link it down in the description. Go check that video out, as it will talk you through the exact process of actually how to apply for a VAT refund once you've claimed VAT exempt status. So guys, I hope you found the video useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.